Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, temitope. So how you all doing today? If you're doing good, if you're doing fine. So today we are going to have a clean girl makeup look, kind of like the no makeup that you do within like 10 to 5 minutes. And pardon my voice for being this way. It's very early in the morning. I don't know why, even if I wake up, it's always so deep. So yeah, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, this is temitope. I post content based on beauty, lifestyle, and faith. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So guys, I've done my brows off camera, so I'll be going in with my Milky, micellar water, and baby wipes, and I'll be cleansing off my face or any form of dirt or residue. So I'm actually just waking up, so you may look at it like. So I'll be going in with my Milani face primer, mattifying face primer around my T-zone areas, around my whole face, so that my face will be set for makeup. So yeah, this is my super glassy beauty concealer in the shade 3. It's a light shade, a bit lighter than my skin tone, so I'm using this to prime my eyelids so as to set the base for the eyeshadow. And yeah, I did my brows off camera. If you're interested in doing your brows like this, you can just refer to the previous video I made on it about a week ago. You can just go back and watch it. So yeah, I'm still blending here. You have to make sure you blend it properly and perfectly well, or else you will not have a smooth base for your eyeshadow and it won't come out the way you want. So yeah, I'm blending it in with my beauty blender just so that you can have this added advantage and it can look like a second skin. So that is what I'm also doing for this other eye. So this is my V Beauty makeup palette. I'll be going in the shade Cookie Dough, and it's like this, brownish shade, deep brown. So I'll just be dabbing it onto my eyelids, dabbing first, not blending. I'll just dab it onto my eyelid. It's not too pigmented, it's just pigmented in a medium way. So yeah, that's exactly what I'll be doing. Just applying it onto my lids, tapping it onto my lids, tapping it, dabbing it onto my lids. So I'll be going in with this other shade, Unconditional. So that's what I'm going to be putting on the upper area of my eyes, and I'm going to be blending it in with an eyeshadow blending brush. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm blending it in. So it's giving you this seamless blend, almost like you don't have anything on. So for depth, I'll be going in with another color. Okay, so I'm still blending it in here. For depth, I'll be going into this slightly orange shade, but it's still brown, QB or Queen B. I don't even know. It's just QB that's here. So yeah, I'm just applying it around it. It's not everywhere, just around that outer corner to just kind of give it depth and more definition. Yeah, so you can see how nice it's looking. And I'm still blending it here. So I've done my eyeliner off camera, so I'm just applying foundation with my ends. I'm blending it in with my ends. I just didn't want to go through the hassle of using a brush to this. I was like, let me use my hands since they no makeup look. And I'm just blending it as I go with my beauty blender. And I'm using this is my classic HD foundation. Is kind of like it's liquid based and is really nice on my skin. It's very close to my skin tone. I should be leaving the shade down in the description box. Pardon my ring light, I don't know why it's just doing like that. Yeah, so I'm just blending it in to the rest of my face. Blending and blending, and I'm blending it as well with my neck and all the areas. You can see that the foundation is not too much. I'm blending it in with my neck because your last step is quite important, and your forehead must not be too much. That step is so important. So many people make this huge mistake, and their face is always looking so fair, and their body will be black, their neck will be black, and it will be so weird. So yeah, the foundation is like the base. If the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do? So that's the same thing applies to makeup. If the foundation is destroyed, what can you do? You just the makeup, except you can just correct it, say like a darker powder or something. You will not like the outcome. So yeah, I'm just blending it into my hairline. I'm blending it around so that I can have the seamless blend. I'm blending around my brows as well. So yeah, I'm going in with my liquid lipstick as a blush, classic lip stain. This is in the shade, I said lip stain, lip gloss in the shade Pepper. It's a tomato red color. So yeah, I'm just applying it around the eye points of my cheekbones. And yeah, you have to make sure it's equal on both cheeks and the same shape, or else you won't like the outcome. So yeah, I'm just blending it in, blending it in, blending it in. When you do this step before applying any other thing, it just, I don't know, it looks nice, as if you are glowing from within. So yeah, I'll be going in with my highlighting concealer, super glazi makeup, the same concealer I used for my eyes to set my lids. So yeah, I'm just applying it around my T-zone area. That includes the forehead, my the bridge of my nose, under my eye. So yeah, and for large foreheads, use only a little concealer. Little is more in makeup. For smaller foreheads, you use more concealer, but I feel like when it comes to makeup, little is more. And yeah, I'm sculpting as I go. So yeah, I'm just blending it in. I'm blending it in with my beauty blender. It has to be a damp beauty blender. Please do not use dry beauty blender when blending in, or else you would not like the outcome. Please let it be damp. It won't be easy to blend if it's not damp. I just put it inside water for the beginners, so that I'll show you next time. So yeah, we're just going to blend that in. And after blending it in, we are going to contour. So I'm using a darker shade of concealer. I'll be leaving the shade and the name of the product in the description box. So I'm doing it around my nose, around the bridge of my nose, around the sides where I placed the highlighting concealer. So yeah, I don't know why that's happening. Yeah, I think you can see it. I zoomed it in, and I'm going to apply the contour shade around my cheekbones as well. Yeah, so I suck in my breath so that the concealer, I can get the eye points of my cheekbones. So I'll be blending it in as I go so that I can have what I want. And I'm also blending this area just above my forehead, around my hairline. I'm putting the concealer around it, because the main reason for contouring is because our face, the shades are not equal. There are parts of our face that are darker than the rest, and so just because you're applying foundation makeup does not mean you should come out looking like a pale ghost. So yeah, that's what we are doing here. So I'll be setting my face with this sleek powder. I'll be leaving the shade, I didn't check the shade, so I'll be leaving the shade down in the description box below. Yeah, so I'm tapping it in. I'm not, as opposed to baking, I'm just tapping it in with my beauty blender. I'm just tapping it in with my beauty blender to set all the liquid products in place. I'm also, you can see that I'm tapping it in around my nose as well. So I'm tapping in my powder as opposed to baking, so that my face will have this, the liquid products can be set in place. I don't even know if I'm repeating myself, but yeah. I'm also doing that for my forehead as well and under my chin. So yeah, I'm going to go in with my Ezekiel powder palette, and I'm going to be using this shade. I think that is chestnut, for my cheekbones, under my eye. Yeah, the cheekbone region under my eye. So yeah, so that I can have a seamless blend. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And I'm applying it around my nose as well, not the bridge of my nose, just the area before the bridge, around the bridge of my nose. So yeah, I'm going to go in with my Ezekiel powder again, but this is a contouring shade. I think this is the shade bronze. I'm going to write the shade I used down in the description box below, so please bear with me. So yeah, I'm applying contour around the cheekbone areas and just above my forehead. And please pardon the background noise, like it's so annoying. So I'm just applying it around my neck as well, so that it can blend seamlessly. Remember that we're going for the no makeup look. So yeah, that's exactly what we are doing. We're blending it in, and we're glowing from within, and we're looking pretty beautiful. Yeah, African mermaid. So yeah, and I like hyping myself, so no vex, because nobody will hype me if I don't hype myself. So yeah, so I'm just blending it in. Oh, somebody's looking beautiful. This step can be called moisturizing my lips, because I went in with lip gloss earlier. So now I'm just lining my lips with this David's number 3 eye pencil. No, it's not David's number 3 eye pencil, soft touch eye pencil in the shade number 3. So I'm just lining my lips and filling it in. Next time though, I'm going to be going in with a brown lipstick, the same lipstick of the same shade, because it's really pretty when you use a matte lipstick of the same shade. So yeah, so I'm just going to continue filling it in at the lower and the upper part. Mostly the upper part, you can see that I've filled most of everything, but you see the lower part, I'm leaving the center vacant. So I'm going in with my Ushas lipstick in this nude shade. It's like my favorite nude shade. I don't like nude normally, because I like vibrant colors. I like looking like a drag. I'll not call myself a drag queen, like a drama queen, because I'm very smallish. So yeah, I'm applying it around my lip area. I can see the center of my lip, but I'm still not satisfied, so I'm just going to do a little bit of, I'm going to apply my concealer, that light concealer I used earlier for setting my eyes. So I'm just applying it at the center of my lips, as you can see, and smacking my lips together and blending it with this brush. I'm blending it in with my brush. Jesus Christ, with my brush. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with my Huda Beauty lip gloss. It's a matte liquid lip gloss. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it's a matte liquid lip gloss. So yeah, I'm just going to use this brush to keep on applying the gloss, because it just looks way prettier and the shape comes out, and the shape of the lips is just looking very fine. So yeah, I'm just going to continue with that. And I don't like applying my lip gloss straight out from the tube, because I don't tend to use so much product that way. So guys, hi guys, so we're back. This is the finished look. We'll be going in with our highlighter from here. That's it. Looks like I'm glowing from within. So guys, if you learned a thing or two from this tutorial, kindly subscribe. Please engage this video. Leave your comment what you think about this video, your opinion in the comment box below. This is the no makeup look. It's not like you're not makeup, but like it's kind of not so obvious. So you guys should please like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. And so everybody, the new people, the returning subscribers, thank you so much for believing in your girl. Stay tuned for more quality content. And if you don't like if my videos are not explanatory enough, please kindly tell me. I'll adjust. So yeah guys, bye. Have a nice week, have a nice day, stay inspired, be blessed. Bye guys.